note. I will make a hot note. Where is your
Yes, so hello, good morning guys. So this is my vlog today and I hope that you're going to watch until the end. And if you're not yet connected to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and like, share, and comment. So here I'm going to do today is a makeup tutorial wherein I already used my wig that I had just borrowed to my neighborhood, which is I'm so ugly now, and I'm going to be using I'm going to be removing first my mustache before that. So here is it. Okay, so I'm done with my beard removal and my mustache and beard removal. So I have here my contact lenses, which is I'm going to put. So this is how I put my contact lenses. As you can see, I have black eyes, so I put on my contact lenses, and later on I'll show you. But before that, I'm going to remove first my wig because I'm going to start putting on my makeup. So this is me without my wig, so and with my lenses, it's colored brown. So I'm going to start my makeup tutorial by, of course, putting first this wine. So this is primer. Before you're going to start putting foundation, you have to put primer to make it much easier in a better. So you can just put it in your palm, and you can just do it like this way. Nail primer is just a lotion. So I'm done with my primer that I have used. I'm done with my primer. So I'm going to move on with my liquid foundation, which is this one. I would like to try this black makeup, the number 3. Yes, the number 3, which is much blacker, yeah, brown, because I have a brown complexion. So I'm going to be using this kind of foundation. So with that, I'm going to be using this. Yeah, so I'm going to be applying it like this way. I wanted my skin to be fair, so I'm using this brown makeup. So it goes with the color of my skin because I am a Filipino, and you know what Filipino is having that brown complexion. So I'm wearing the foundation with a brown that goes with my skin. So you can only just do it like this way and applying foundation. So it will be having that very nice and good in putting in it. Okay, I'm not a makeup artist, but I am trying to do this because I really love makeup. So if you're applying this, it's just having a start on a canvas, like a drawing on a canvas that you are going to start right this. So you can just add more foundation if you want it. We're done with our foundation. So today is we're going to be putting, let us start with our eyebrows or with our eyeshadow. It depends on how you are going to apply a makeup, but for me, I really have to start on foundation and of course the eyeshadow. So I'm going with my eyeshadow first. So I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm starting with my eyeshadow by putting first a little bit of this colors that I have. And so I'm going to start it with the use of my applicators. And so the only thing that I'm going to be starting is with the base, which is I'm going to be wearing white for my baseline, like that. So that is how I really applying my makeup. So it's just that easy way that you're going to do, and be sure that you really love that thing that you have been putting. So it's like that. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of it because okay, so that's okay. Okay, and then next thing that I'm going to be applying is brown, because I love brown, because I have a brown wig. So let me try this one. Okay, I'm going to be trying this one. This one, okay. So let's try. You can just put it right this way because it depends on how are you going. This makeup is just a simple makeup that I'm going to be doing today. Some girls can just put makeup, day makeup like this. Okay, so that's it. Going to a date or something, you know, like that only. I only put like that first because okay, so that is good because and I can only use this for my nose line, nose slip. That's what you call nose line or nose slip. So yeah, so this is the easiest way of putting a makeup. So that's enough. And right now I'm going to be using a concealer or white right down my eyes. Yeah, because I want it to be fresh in the eye of my date. So that's it. That's it. And the thing that I'm going to be using today is brown for my it's just brown for my eyeliner. So I'm going to be using this for my eyeliner. So everything that I'm doing today for my eyeshadow palette is what I do with my eyeliner. So I'm going to do it like this way, just simple this way. Okay, inside your eyes, don't put it inside, just here outside. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do today. Yeah, that's the easiest way on putting until here. That's it. So that's the thing that I'm going to do today. It's a simple makeup. I don't think it's simple, but for me, I have to make it. This is simple for me because I think. Okay, so you can add more if you want. Okay, so I think it's better if I add more. So like that, and then afterwards you can put the black inside of it. You can put it in here. Yes, like that. And you can extend it in here. I do not do this in my as my job, but I can I can have a makeup by myself because before when I'm joining pageant and an LGBT, I always do it myself. So like that way. So next is I'm going to be putting my false eyelashes. So I'm having here a false eyelashes, which is a very long one. Here is my false eyelashes, and of course you're going to be wearing. I'll be using a paste before it intact. Yeah, so we're done with our makeup today. We are done with our eyeshadow, our nose line, and sooner or later our lipstick and our blush ons. But before that, I'm going to be putting my I'm going to be putting this my other eyelashes in. Putting eyelashes is so delicate, so you have to watch on it if where to place it right. So yeah. So yeah, we're done with our eyelashes. So you can just put it right this way or upper or lower. So that's my makeup for today. And okay, so we're going to be using our blush in. So we're putting like this way, and I'm using this way. So this is only 45 pesos. 45 pesos here in the Philippines. So I am wearing it today, like putting it like this way. So a mixture of this could make a beautiful application or a beautiful blush in. And because I have a feminine shape of face, I am starting it from here. So it will make my face bigger. Like that one. So, and you have to apply it in here first. Like that, and in your chin. And by using this one, it can... So yeah, here I'm done with my makeup. And right now we're putting our lipstick, of course. But before that, I'm going to put on my wig. So here is it. Hi, thank you for watching. And this is my wig. I think, how is this? So here's my brown wig that I had just borrowed from my neighborhood. So let's put on our wig. I hope this fits on me. So this is my makeup for today, and I think this is much better if I'm going to be using it like this way. Wait. You know what they going to be using like this way because it's not, this bounce is not good for me. So I'm going to be using hairpins, and I'm going to make it as side as it on my wig, so like that maybe. And I think I'm going to put a little pin here, so it would be like that. And I think I'm going to have like this, and like that, so it would not be seen, So maybe like this. I hope you're enjoying this vlog that I'm doing today. So this is my final look, guys, and thank you for watching until the end on my YouTube channel. Please, if you're not yet connected, please don't hesitate to tap the notification bell for you to be notified to another vlog that I'm going to do, most especially in the makeup tutorial that I am always doing. So thank you, guys, and God bless us all. So here is it, and I'm ready to go to the date.